Hello learners, today we will start the unit Arene and Aromaticity. At early stage of development of organic chemistry, some compounds were isolated from natural sources that were found quite different from aliphatic compounds, but interestingly, they were pleasant smelling. These compounds were named as aromatic at that time because in Greek aroma means fragrant smell. Later on, these were found to have a typical ring-like structure with 6 carbon atoms and termed as benzene-like structures. Thereafter, these are classified as follow. The classification is first type is benzenoids. Aromatic compounds containing at least one benzene rings were termed as benzenoids. Second is non-benzenoid aromatics. Compounds that exhibit aromatic character but do not contain benzene ring, for example, cyclopentadienyl, anion, furan and thiopene. Third classification is arenes. Aromatic hydrocarbon which consist of alkyl, alkenyl or alkenyl groups linked to benzene ring are called arenes. In general, aromatic hydrocarbons are also known as arenes. Let us consider some example. First is alkyl benzene. See here, this is the benzene ring. An alkyl group is attached to this benzene ring. This is termed as arene and the name of this compound is toluene. Second is here, in this case, benzene ring is attached to ethyl group. This is called ethyl benzene. This is also an example of arene. Next, here, see here, benzene ring, 2 methyl groups are attached at adjacent position. This is orthoxylene. Second example is alkenyl benzenes. Here an unsaturated system is attached, as in the case of alkenyl and alkenyls, and unsaturated groups are attached to benzene ring. This is also termed as phenylacetylene. Consider some more example. Benzene ring, 2 benzene rings are attached with one vacancy here. So this is termed as, when this is the vacancy, this is termed as phenyl. These are attached, so this will be diphenyl. 2 benzene rings fused together at 2 carbons. This is naphthalene. Here this is anthracene. 3 benzene rings are fused together. Next, some points to be remembered. There are some points. For example, consider when we draw benzene ring, some students draw like this, some students draw like this, and some students draw like this. These all are equivalent. There is no difference. These all are the structures of benzene. Second, see here in this structure. In this case, benzene ring is attached with an alkyl group. This is termed as side chain and this is termed as nucleus. Next, here, see benzene ring, 2 adjacent positions are occupied by 2 groups with no intermediate carbon. There is no carbon in between these 2 positions. Here is this carbon is attached with this and this carbon is attached with this substituent. When the 2 substituents are attached at adjacent position with no gap, this is termed as 1,2 position or ortho position, orthoisomer. In this case, there is a gap of 1 carbon. This is meta. When there is a gap of 2, this is termed as para, or these are diagonally opposite to each other. This is para isomer. Next topic of discussion is rules for assigning systematic names to derivatives of benzene. So first we have to take care that what will be the word root. Word root for benzene derivative is benzene. In case of mono substitution, name of the substituent group is added as a prefix to the word root. For example, see in this case, word root is benzene and this is termed as prefix. So name will be nitrobenzene. You can practice some more examples. This is benzene sulfonic acid. Some special names, although this is the example of nomenclature, but some compounds have been given very special names. For example,